Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Do you like chips, cookies, sodas, instant noodles, or frozen pizza? Of course you do. We all do. They are affordable, delicious, and ready to eat anytime. But let's face reality. These foods are referred to as ultra-processed foods, and though they seem innocent enough, they may be quietly killing your health. Today in this video, I will analyze 1. The biggest risks of ultra-processed foods. 2. Some surprising advantages you never even considered. 3. And lastly, my genuine true opinion. Must you stop them altogether, or can you continue to indulge in them occasionally? Stay with me until the end, because this stuff may actually revolutionize the way you eat. Risks of ultra-processed foods. We'll begin with the frightening part first, the risks. 1. Weight gain and obesity. Ultra-processed food are filled with sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats. They are engineered to be addictive. You simply cannot resist taking another bite. The catch: they don't satisfy you long. You keep consuming more calories without even knowing it. Research has proven individuals consuming mostly processed foods take in 500 additional calories daily compared to those consuming fresh foods. Over time, this causes obesity, and we all know obesity is the cause of most diseases. 2. Heart disease and high blood pressure. Ultra-processed foods tend to be packed with salt and trans fats. Excessive salt leads to high blood pressure. Trans fats cause increased bad cholesterol and decreased good cholesterol. The outcome? Heart complications. And recall, heart disease is the leading cause of death in the USA. 3. Diabetes risk. Sweets, candy, and baked treats drive your blood sugar up high. The constant spikes destroy your body's insulin handling ability. Over time, this results in type 2 diabetes. And with diabetes, endless health problems, from kidneys to nerve damage. 4. Bad gut and digestive health. These foods have nearly zero fiber. Without fiber, your gut microbes perish. Artificial preservatives and additives can disrupt your microbiome. This can result in constipation, bloating, and compromised immunity. 5. Mental health problems. You didn't know that diet impacted your brain, right? Research indicates that processed food diets are associated with depression and anxiety. Why? Sugar spikes and nutrient insufficiency influence brain chemistry. So yes, your daily soda is possibly associated with your bad mood. 6. Cancer risk. One of the greatest risks. Studies indicate that those who eat high levels of ultra-processed foods are far more likely to develop colorectal cancer. It doesn't say that one burger will make you ill, but if you eat processed food for years, it greatly increases the risk. If you step back and look at the overall picture, ultra-processed food is quick, delicious, and easy. But the price is your health. Benefits of ultra-processed foods. Now let's be balanced. Ultra-processed foods are not 100% evil. They do offer some benefits that explain why they are so popular. 1. Convenience. In today's fast lifestyle, not everyone has the time to cook fresh meals. Processed foods are quick, easy, and save time. 2. Affordability. Fresh organic food can be expensive in the USA. Processed food is often cheaper and helps low-income families survive. 3. Long shelf life. Processed foods don't get spoiled soon, thanks to preservatives. Less food waste, more availability. 4. Fortification. Foods are fortified with vitamins and minerals, like breakfast cereals fortified with iron, calcium, and vitamin D. For certain people, that serves nutritional needs. So yes, ultra-processed foods do have their role, but remember, the advantages are short-term, while the risks are largely long-term. My honest opinion. So, do you need to totally stop ultra-processed foods? No, you don't need to stop them 100%. Let me tell you why. Life is not always easy. Sometimes you require instant meals, sometimes comfort food, and that's fine. The real issue arises when these foods are your source of primary diet. Here's what I suggest. Keep fresh, whole, natural foods at the center of your diet. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein. Reserve ultra-processed foods for an occasional treat, not your daily fuel. Consider them like a piece of birthday cake, not your breakfast every day. Remember this simple rule. Processed foods every now and then won't kill you, but processed foods every single day will slowly kill your health. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more health content.